Thank you so much for tuning in, lovelies. Today's recipe is how to cook white asparagus. Stay tuned and let's cook. The asparagus I know is white, green and purple. The green one is very easy to prep, while the white one has to be cooked in a specific way to get off the bitter stuff, the bitterness. So I'm going to start by peeling off my white asparagus first. One easy way to peel your asparagus is to hold it down to your working board and peel upwards down. If you try to hold it in your fingers like this will break. So the trick is just to press down and easily peel. Second step is to cut off the end part of your asparagus. You might want to cut a little bit deep if the asparagus is too woody, or just the tip will be fine. Thirdly, you are going to grab a suitable cooking food rope and then you will tie in a bunch like you see me do. This is going to prevent your asparagus from breaking while you cook, or just to have a nice portioned one. If this is your first time on my channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell, and you will be the first to be notified anytime I post a new video. And I want to give a shout out to my returning subscribers for always tuning in. You are all amazing. Thank you so much, guys. When you are done having your asparagus in bunch just like mine, you mustn't do this. You can skip and just cook directly. Leave in a running tap to clean and then introduce in a cooking water. I have 2 liters of water with a suitable pot to cook this asparagus. Then next I added a cube of butter. And then I also went ahead to add in 1½ teaspoon of salt. Again, I added 2 teaspoons of sugar. And lastly, I added a sliced white bread. You should go for white bread because this is one thing that is capable to extract all the bitterness in your white asparagus. Okay, butter, salt, sugar and white bread. And then you're going to let it cook on the lowest heat for about 16 to 18 minutes without letting it overcook. When that is done, you're going to fish out and serve with whatever you feel like having your asparagus with. You can have it for soup, you can use it for soup, for salad, for casserole, you can have it with sauce hollandaise, you name it, guys. Asparagus is the best. This looks so good. I am going to serve with sauce hollandaise, homemade sauce hollandaise. If you haven't seen my recipe of sauce hollandaise, delicious one, I will leave the link in the description box. Please check it out, guys. It's so good. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is the best way to cook your white asparagus. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Hit the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. You will be the first to be notified. Thank you to my returning subscribers for always tuning in. You are all amazing. I'm going to serve today with some cooked potato and it's just so good. I love this recipe, guys. I hope you try it out. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please do not go without liking. Like and leave your opinion down below. Thank you and see you in my next one. Bye for now.